Today we are going to be talking about one of the 7 biomes of the Earth, tropical rainforest.
Tropical rainforests are found near the equator, which means that they're really hot, and they have a rainfall that's actually daily rather than wet and dry seasons.
These large amounts of rains can wash the minerals and the chemicals off the leaf, and it goes down into the soil. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, because this is what helps so many plants and animals call the rainforest their home.
Let's go check it out.
There are 5 layers to the tropical rainforest: the ground,
The understory and the lower canopy,
The upper canopy, and the emergent layer.
The first layer, the ground layer, has herbs and ferns. A lot of bugs live in this layer, like leafcutter ants.
The next layer of the rainforest is the understory, which includes bushes and saplings, and the third layer is the lower canopy, which includes these big open areas in between the shrubs and the more mature trees.
Okay, what kind of...
The fourth layer of the tropical rainforest is the upper canopy, which holds the larger trees. And the final layer is the emergent layer, way up there, where the trees grow taller than the other ones to reach the sunlight.
This huge tree here is known as a pseudotree. It's an emergent tree, and it sends down taproots that bring up nutrients back up to the top, which allow it to grow so high above all the other trees. These taproots then grow into these big walls so that it anchors the tree into the ground. When the wind blows, the tree doesn't fall down. The pseudotree also has another defense. It loses its bark every so often, much like the guava fruit tree, so it's known as the big guava tree.
This is a strangler fig tree, and it's taking all the nutrients from this big tree and stealing them. So this tree eventually will die, and the fig tree will turn into a hollow tree, taking the place of this massive tree in the forest. But even though that sounds kind of bad, it's not all bad. The fig tree provides a lot of fruit for animals like birds.
This open layer here is a great place to find birds here in the tropical rainforest. It's almost like a bird highway where they can fly without running into other trees. But it's not all toucans and parrots here. You can also find other birds that migrate to western New York, like the house wren, the golden-winged warbler, and the broad-tailed hawk.
Yep, we're here, rainforest. Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, I'm sweating. No rain. No. Yeah.
Yep, you're kind of breaking up, so I'm gonna head this way.
All right.
Even though Costa Rica seems so far away, the birds that call here and your backyard home connect us all.
This is what makes learning about these forests, as well as your own forest, so important, and everyone needs to be educated.
But we shouldn't stop at just education. Everybody needs to take and do their part in protecting them as well.